So now let's see how we can work around with different selection tools like Lasso, Polygon, and magnetic selection tool inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So over here in the expert mode on the left side, over here you can see that lasso-like icon is here. And then if I were to click on it, then what happens is that I get a lasso selection, meaning I can click and drag around right here or draw around, and then there you go, there's the selection right here as you can see. And just like with any other selection tool, you got the anti-aliasing option right here. You can add to selection right here just like this, and you can subtract to selection as well just like this, and then you can move out the selection right here. So this is what you have. Let me just press the Control Z right here and go back to the selection tool. That is the lasso tool right here. So this is the lasso tool, meaning what happens is that you can draw freely. But there are other type of tools as well. And you can work around with the feather for each of the tool as well, just like you would on a regular selection tool. So to learn more about feathering and anti-aliasing, you can take a look at my previous video on selection tools as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for the polygonal lasso tool right here. So polygonal lasso tool allows you to click in different spots right here, and you can make a straight line out of it and then double click to end it and make it a selection right here. So this is a freeform selection as well, but it is more for creating straight lines. Then you can go around over here onto magnetic lasso tool as well. So if I were to go around right here, then you can select out the width, the contrast right here, and feathering here as you can see. And then let's say you want to make a selection to this flower right here. You can click and then simply move your mouse and it sticks to the edges as you can see right here. It sticks around right here, it sticks around right there just like this. Click right here, and then this is what you have right here. If you were to press backspace, then it goes back a few points right here just like this. So depending on the level of sensitivity that you want to add to this magnetic tool, you can increase out the contrast level right here and the frequency of the points over here as well, and change around the width of the lasso as well. So if I were to go around, change around the width, then you can see that this is what you have. There's less points over here. But if I were to go around right here, let me just press backspace couple of times right here just like this, and now what I can do is I can decrease out the width as well, so that you can see that there's more points going on right here in more detail. So let me just go around right here. So the idea with the magnetic lasso tool is you click right here and slowly move your mouse across the contrast areas right here where there's the difference, and it'll draw out the points accordingly. And you can click to add in a point manually over here as well. So there's been some error over here in this section, so let me just press backspace button right here, and then you can see that that is what you have just like this. You can go around slowly right here just like this, slowly right here, click, and then there you go. You go around and move around the mouse right here just like this, and there you go. You can go around right here, move around the mouse over here. Let me just press backspace over here just like this, and when just like that, and there you go. You can go around, draw around over here just like this, a bit back over here just like this as well, and go back, a bit back right here just like this, back right there just like this. Just go back, and there you go. You can go around, make selection again, drag around over here just like this, and there you go. So you can go around and refine out the selection just like this. So let me just go around and quickly end this out, and this is what you have as you can see. So if I were to go around onto the move tool, now you can just move around this flower as you can see just like this, and you can go around, resize it, place it wherever you want right here, press the check mark button, and there you go. Press Ctrl D to deselect it out. So that is how you can go around and use the lasso, the polygon, and the magnetic selection tool inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.